E hoa atua o ngā iwi matoura a taha ka rongona me aroha noa ki ahua ko te pai ki a tauto a ta whai mana ki tia mai a te aroa. God of nations, at thy feet, in the bonds of love we meet. Hear our voices, we entreat. God, defend our free land. God, Pacific's triple star, from the shafts of strife and war, make her praises heard afar. God, defend New Zealand.
Kia ora everyone. This is our last video assembly before we head back to school next week. So I thought that I would just remind you a few things about what it's going to look like when you come back to school on Monday in level 2. So normally we talk about how important it is to care for others and care for the environment. And today I was thinking about how once you come back, instead of talking about the importance of caring is sharing, I need to really talk to you about how once you're back in level 2, we actually want to discourage you from sharing because we want to keep you safe. So by discouraging you from sharing, we're going to make sure that you are caring for yourself. So when you come back into school on Monday, you'll notice a few changes. You'll notice that all of the water fountains are covered up and you won't be able to drink out of them because we want to keep them clean and not use them at the moment. So you need to bring a water bottle to school. You'll also notice that although we have lots and lots of stationery items in the classroom, we want you to bring your own pens and your own pencils in your own pencil case so that you're not sharing with other people. Make sure you bring your lunch in your lunchbox so you can put your rubbish back in your lunchbox so that you're keeping all of your things together. When you arrive at school on Monday, all of the normal school gates will be open. If you catch a bus, you'll need to make sure that you're signing in and signing out so we know who has caught a bus. If you're getting dropped off to school by your parents, you need to be dropped off outside the school gates because once your parents come into school, they need to sign in so we can keep a record of who has had contact with us. If you are biking to school, you will still continue to bike and put your bike in the bike rack outside room 26 at the front gate. All of the gates will be open, so when you arrive at school, you will come in, go to your regular class, and you will notice that all the way around the school we have got hand sanitizers. Some of them are outside the classrooms, like this one. We've made sure that they are down here so you can pump them after you've eaten and before you eat and before you go out and play with equipment. You'll also notice that there's hand sanitizer in the classroom so that you can keep yourself safe. If you are unwell, please do not come to school. We want our whole community to stay well, and we can do that by stopping the spread of germs. So we are hoping that you will make really good decisions. We know that you are desperate to come back to school and see your friends, but if you are coughing or sneezing, the best place for you is to be at home. All of your teachers are very, very excited to see you on Monday. Have a fantastic weekend, and we can't wait to have you back at school ready for learning. Ka kite anō. Kia ora whānau, to all those hard
hardworking students out there who have now received their Bronze Principals Awards, or will do when they get back to school on Monday. Jamie Langenhoven from Whānau 5, Jamie Jenkins from Whānau 15, as well as Carlos Jenkins from Whānau 26. Looks like a hardworking family out there in the Jenkins household. So everybody have a great day, and we will see you on Monday.
Kia ora, how are we today? Today, Achievers Badge Award goes to Charlotte Morstan of Whānau 2 for grooming, fun run, counselling, swimming and the big bombs, talent quest, and the lucky last one, Manaki Tanga. Sweet.
Kia ora tātou. These are the contributing and participating badges. Gabby from Whānau Tahi. Ashton, Jamie and Jeremiah from Whānau Whā. Jacob, Ruby and Tristan from Whānau Rima. Jade and Kahu from Whānau Waru. Aria and Tangata from Whānau Iwa. Jade and Zach from Whānau Tekau Tahi. Yuman from Whānau Tekau Rua. Hannah from Whānau Tekau Toru. Kyle and Talib from Whānau Tekau Whā. Isaac from Whānau Tekau Rima. Agatha and Constantine from Whānau Tekau Whitu. Zoe from Whānau Rua Tekau Rua. Nick and Olivia from Whānau Rua Tekau Toru. Justin and Zane from Whānau Rua Tekau Rima. And Dylan, Alan, Kayla and Lily from Whānau Rua Tekau Ono. Ka pai koutou.
Hi everyone, I've got the privilege of doing this week's Student of the Week. Well done Thomas Farmer for his diligence with daily sign-in and Zoom attendance and effort in home learning tasks. Ka pai Thomas. Well done Boris, from my class last year, for his exceptional effort in all home learning tasks. His consistency is inspiring. Ka ore. Well done, Athena, for her diligence and creative thinking towards completing all her home learning. All turned thus far. Well done, Athena. Well done, Jordan, for her marvellous contribution to learning while on lockdown. Ka mai te wehe. Well done, Nova, for putting great effort into her speech and science investigation while working at home. Oh, I can't wait to see that. Well done, Sasha, also from my class last year, for putting great effort into his mathematics while working at home. Ka pai, Sasha. Well done, Lachlan. This is from me for his dedication to his online working. You have really done well during this lockdown. Ka pai, Lachlan. Well done, Zach Cully, for his effort during his online learning and hard work on his speech. Well done. Well done, Memphis, for his effort and diligence to online learning. Awesome stuff, Memphis. Well done, Suri, for doing an amazing job with her online learning, delivering top quality work all the time. That's so good to hear. Well done, Wairere. Moto kaha ki te kokiri whakamua mi o mahi a kainga aha kona uatanga ina te miharo tama. And well done, Kahu Kimberly Brown. Moto kaha ki te awhina ina kaieko mina kupu mori. Rangatia na mahi tama. Sorry for any mispronunciations there. Well done from Mrs. Hedges. Tom Campbell, for consistent dedication to completing online learning. Ka ware, Tom. Well done from Mrs. Hedges. There's also Morgan Irwin for keeping a roll on with your work. and always having an upbeat attitude. That is so cool to hear. Well done, Monty Galvin, for consistent commitment to all of his online learning. That's so cool. Well done, Luke Ellis, for his awesome input and help with the assembly videos. I love watching the assembly videos. Well done from Whai Juanita, Morgan, Natana, Wihongi for his commitment and self-motivation to complete all online learning tasks. Tino Pai! Well done, Sean from Mr. Chanja for consistent commitment to all his online learning and successfully completing his science fair project. Can't wait to see that one too. From Whai Mao, well done, Kahu, for displaying fantastic work ethic for our Level 4 and Level 3 and for also winning our whānau surprise pūkana competition. Can't wait to hear about that. Well done from Mr. Fawn Isabella for displaying excellence in completion of all online learning tasks over the entire lockdown. Well done from Miss O'Sullivan, Zoe, for her consistent enthusiasm for learning and her independence with learning at home activities. And finally, from Miss O'Sullivan as well, Charlotte Cassidy, for her consistent enthusiasm for learning and her excellence with learning at home activities. I'm so proud of all these students of week, and I can't wait to see you next week. Ka kite anō!
Can you hear that? Because I can. That is the sound of change.
That is the sound of the streets
and churches
and school halls,
full of people who believe that change is possible.
This is the sound of 90,000 of us getting together
and saying,
this time you can count me in.
And me.
And me.
And me.
And us.
And us.
And us. Because this is our home and our planet.
Count me in.
As we fight against the impacts of our changing climate.
As we help the families who are facing floods and drought and hunger.
Together, we will make positive change.
Together, a new world is possible.
This is a vision for the world.
Our vision.
Our vision. My vision.
My vision.
My vision.
So don't count me out.
Can we count on you?
Make a big noise playing in the street. Gonna be a big man someday. You got mud on your face, you big disgrace. Kicking your can all over the place. Singing, we will rock you. We will rock you. Buddy, you're a young man, hard man, shouting in the street. Gonna take on the world someday. You got blood on your face, a big disgrace, waving your banner all over the place. We will rock you. Sing it.
Thanks for all your phosphids. There were so many and they were all great. Let's take a look at some of them.
I used to be so beautiful, now look at me. My actions are unbeautiful, it's clear. I used to be so beautiful, now look at me. My actions are unbeautiful, it's clear to see. I used to be so beautiful, now look at me. My actions are unbeautiful, it's clear. I used to be so beautiful, now look at me. My actions are unbeautiful, it's clear to see. I used to be so beautiful, now look at me. My actions are unbeautiful, it's clear to see.
So this week we want to see you hit every beat like this.
Touch this. Touch this. Touch this. Touch this.
So if you want to be BizBoss famous, go to Google Classroom, link down below, and upload your video. See you all next week.
Kia ora koutou. Welcome to this week's What Is It? And I'm your host, Kahu. Well done to all the people that entered to our competition. And the answer was... Up on Kahu. Let's see who the winner was. And congratulations to Tristan. And here's your yummy chocolate fish.
Thanks, Kahu.
You're welcome, Tristan. And now, for this week's What Is It?
What? You know what it is. You know what it is. What? You know what it is.
What is it? What is it?
If you think you know what it is, go to Google Classroom and hit the link. And see you on Monday.
What is it?
Kia ora tātou, nau mai hara mai ki tēnei wahanga o Te Reo Māori. Welcome everyone to this section of Te Reo Māori. Now, this week, the word is rite. Now, rite means to be ready, or ready. Now, let's go around the school and see who is rite or not for next week. Hara mai, hara mai. Okay, Miss Bush, kua rite koe mō ngā tamariki. Are you ready for the kids next week?
Oh my God, we are so ready! Bring it on! Woohoo!
Ka pai, pēhea koe whai mau, kua rite koe mō ngā tamariki.
Kua rite mō ngā tamariki, no mai, hoki mai.
Weehee! Okay, no mai hara mai ki te kehini. Mr. Brown, kua rite koe mō ngā tamariki. Are you ready for the kids next week?
Always.
Okay, Matua Steve, kua rite koe mō ngā tamariki a te roiki. Are you ready for the kids next week?
Yes. Yes, I am.
So excited. What about you, Nick? Kua rite koe, are you ready for next week?
Yeah.
So excited in this house. Okay, Fire. Kua rite koe mō ngā tamariki a te roiki. Are you ready for the kids next week?
Yes.
So excited.
So excited.
Andrew, are you kua rite koe? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yes. We're all ready. Rite, ready. Kia ora.
Kia ora tātou, we're on to the third part of our routine for takahia paki. So just a reminder, here's our kupu. Takahia. Paki. Piti. Our first kupu that we learnt 2 weeks ago was pa, pa, pa. Last week we learnt few, few, few to brush off. And this week we've got a new one. Our new kupu is ka po, to click. So ka po. Just to remember how the routine goes. Takahia paki te piti piti paki ki te. Either pa pa, few few, and now ka po. So I'm going to go through. I'm going to go through pa pa one time, few few, and then we're going to add ka po on the end. Are we ready? Are we up? Mrs. Sutton, I hope you're ready and watching. Here we go. Takahia paki te piti piti paki ki te pa pa paki te piti piti paki. Takahia paki te piti piti paki ki te few few paki te piti piti paki. Takahia paki te piti piti paki ki te ka po paki te piti piti paki. Kia hau maru tātou. See you on Monday.
They say, oh my God, I see the way you shine. Take your hand, my dear, and place them both in mine. You know you stopped me dead while I was passing by. And now I beg to see you dance just one more time. Ooh, I see you every time. And oh my, I like your style. You make me wanna cry. And now I beg to see you dance just one more time. So they say, dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, oh, oh. I never seen anybody do the things you do before. They say, move for me, move for me, move for me, eh, eh. And when you're done, I'll make you do it all again. I said, oh my God, I see you walking by. Take my hands, my dear, and look me in my eyes. Just like a monkey, I've been dancing my whole life. But you just beg to see me dance just one more time. Ooh, I see you every time. And oh my, I like your style. You make me wanna cry. And now I beg to see you dance just one more time. So they say, dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, oh, oh. I never seen anybody do the things you do before.